doing a strawberry cake. I need this. I bring this. Now I'm putting this in here. It's good after this stuff, like the pizza. Oil inside the bowl. This is oil. Now 2 eggs. First, this egg. Wow. Now a cup of water. Now I got to mix it. Kids, if you know how to bake a cake like me, don't for it. But you don't tell a dough to help you. Yeah. Hey guys, so I here with the tape. Now I need to do the frosting. Hit like button and the